This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2024 AACA Fall Meet. In other words, Hershey, the Holy Week of Hershey. And oh my gosh, they have set up a section here which is just mind-boggling. Of course, we're going to start with the Kaiser Darrin F-Head 6. That's the Hurricane 6 from Kaiser. The sliding pocket doors, this is fiberglass. The top is a 3-position top. We've been through that. Fully closed. Coupe de Setica, where it's halfway back or all the way down. Isn't that beautiful? They are so striking. They were crazy expensive. They're over $5,000 if memory serves me correct. Obviously they didn't sell well because they were with that little F-head, a bit underpowered, shall we say. But wow, what a nice little blip in automotive history. Let's go from there to the spectacular Nash Healey. Nash Healey, of course, was the amalgamation between Nash, Donald Healey, and Pininfarina. So this is actually a trifecta right here, powered by Nash, of course. These came in steel. I gotta get around. This is 53. Just spectacular car. I'm gonna kind of sneak in over here.
Hey,
Again, fabulously expensive. Did not sell well, but it was a halo car. Hello, how you doing?
good yourself?
I'm at Hershey. Come on. I just cannot believe this string of cars here. This is great. Nash Healey. There you go.
Beautifully designed dash.
Come on, Kaiser, you got it. All right. Everyone, the pocket doors open, so it's a little bit cool.